What's wrong, Jess? What's wrong?
Georgina! Show me that picture of her.
Why?
No, I said I'm crying. She just want to do it.
Oh, Blair. Oh, Jess, what's wrong? Things are going to be okay.
Tell Georgina to put the picture up.
I will. I will tell her to put the picture up, Jess. Do you mind not making my trousers wet? That's so wrong.
Recap the film. Not recording me.
Okay, I'll start recording.